All right, the best life insurance for seniors. So when I say seniors, we're going to say people over the age of 55, 60 years old. And the answer to this is, do you want term? Are you looking for a big whole life policy over 50,000? Or are we looking for a final expense plan, 50,000 and under, more for burial needs? That way the bill's not landing on somebody unexpectedly, and you can leave a little bit of coverage for burial needs and maybe a little bit extra money for the spouse, just for retirement, or buy the kids a car, or whatever it might be. You want to leave a legacy, not a bill. So the best life insurance for seniors is going to depend on your age, because between 60 and 85, there's only a few companies that go up to 85, but each company is going to have different rules on what they will accept and what they won't accept. So if you're looking for something a little bigger, maybe you're 55 or 60, the highest you can usually go up to is age 70, and you can't do more than a 20-year term. Some companies after age 60 or 70, depending on your health, they'll only give you a certain amount of coverage if it's a term for 20 or 25 years. A lot of seniors are mostly looking for whole life for final expense needs. So 50,000 and less with absolutely no medical exam, very lenient on heart medications, diabetes, past health history like cancer, heart attack, stroke. There are a lot of carriers out there that, as long as the heart attack and stroke or cancer is over 24 months ago, 2 years ago, they will accept you. Day one coverage, and it won't really raise the rate or anything like that. What most seniors want to watch out for are the graded plans or guaranteed issue. I see a lot of seniors on a 2-year wait plan when they do not need to be. And that's only because the agent did not do his research and they didn't find them the right company. Maybe you're diabetic and your A1C is over 7, and they put you with the wrong company because they just want it to be quick and easy. They don't want a lot of legwork. And that company said, you're on a graded modified plan for 2 years and you're going to pay a lot. They should have put you with Foresters or somebody and got day one coverage with a much lower premium. Little extra legwork, you have to call the company and do a few more things. But oh well, that's just what you got to do, right? So the short answer is, when you're looking for the best life insurance for seniors, it's going to depend on really your age. That's a huge factor. Height and weight's going to be a big one, but mostly those medications and past health history. That's going to be a big one. A lot of my clients, they've had cancer in the past couple years, or certain health, or they're on multiple. I've had clients that are on 10, 15 medications. I punch them all in, I speak to the underwriters, and I'll know exactly which company to put you with. So that's going to be a really big factor. You don't want to overpay for these big policies just because you were put with the wrong carrier. And then from there, it's going to be, do you want term? Do you want final expense? Are you willing to do a medical blood and urine exam because you want a $200,000-$300,000 whole life? And you're like, hey, this is for estate planning. I have to have this coverage for my wife, or to pay estate taxes, or we have a farm, or whatever it might be. So that is the very short answer. Don't let anybody tell you anything different. It's all going to depend on you at the end of the day. So I hope this helped. If you have any questions, reach out. I have links all over the place where you can book a call, or go on my quoter and use that. But if you just want direct answers, and you want to just give me your information, get this thing rolling, and have direct quotes, you're not second guessing or anything like that, then please reach out. I hope this helped, and I'll see you on the next one.